Amir is 2 years older than Aman.
Amir is 2 years older than Aman.
I am taller than you.
तुमसे
His father is not taller than him.
His father is not taller than him.
You are more beautiful.
तुम ज़्यादा सुंदर हो.
More. She is more intelligent than me.
She is
More intelligent than me.
Am-
Aman is more honest, but his sister is more clever. अमन ज़्यादा ईमानदार है लेकिन उसकी बहन ज़्यादा चतुर है.
Are you younger than him?
क्या तो उससे यंगर है ना. आर यू यंगर? यंगर में बड़े होते हैं ना. आर यू यंगर देन ही? क्या तुम उससे छोटे हो? यंगर जबकि बड़े हो, है ना. छोटे
Younger.
छोटे यंगर छोटी यंगर हो क्या?
She is 5 years younger than me.
She is 5 years younger than me. क्या वह मुझसे 5 साल छोटी है? यंगर में छोटी.
He is my younger brother.
वह है मेरा बड़ा भाई है. छोटा भाई है.
Is Ramesh taller than Amir?
Is Ramesh taller than Amir? Is Ramesh taller than Amir? सफेद
White.
गाड़ी कार.
Car.
छोटी
Younger.
हाउस.
Hub. History.
चलता
Walks. Honest. Head. Runs. He is my younger brother.
यह मेरा छोटा भाई है.
You eat very less.
तुम बहुत कम खाते हो. कम.
Less.
Give me less food.
Give me less food.
She looks beautiful.
वह सुंदर दिखती है. देखता
Looks.
The lunch looks tasty. The lunch looks tasty.
I look like you.
मैं तुम्हारे जैसा दिखता हूँ. पसंद.
Like.
They look intelligent. They look They look intelligent. This is less useful.
This is less useful. कम बोली है.
Their children look just like them.
Their children look just like them. उनके बच्चे उनके जैसे दिखते हैं. बिल्कुल उनके जैसे दिखते हैं. अभी just.
Just. You are just like me.
You are just like me.
We talk just like our teacher. Talk just like our teacher. Chess. Uncle. Bed. Sister. Bird. Employ. Where. Let them. Indian. Tea. Looks. Wearing.
You are fast, but he is faster.
ये तेज, तुम तेज हो। और वह तुम तेज हो लेकिन वह और तेज है। तुम तेज हो लेकिन वह और तेज है।
Is it tastier? Is it tastier? Is it tastier? Tastier.
The chair is older than the table.
The chair is older than the table. Chair कुर्सी मेज से पुरानी है।
He is faster but his friend is slower. He is faster but his friend is slower. The lunch looks tasty. This is an older newspaper. Is an old newspaper.
Is she older than me? Is it worse? Worse.
Amir is 2 years older than Aman.
Amir is 2 years older than Aman.
His book is 5 years older than my book.
His book is 5 years older than my book.
Are you younger than him?
Are you younger than him?
Reading. Days.
Much.
Health. Days.
You were reading yesterday.
You were reading yesterday.
See. Yeah. Was. Use. Yeah.
We
were here yesterday.
Reading. Nose. Were. Pain.
Were they
Were they sleeping?
Where were you yesterday?
कल तुम कहाँ Was she running?
She was walking too slowly. She was walking too slowly. Too slowly.
Who was she? Were you reading? Were you reading?
वह एक महान आदमी है। तो
He is a man. The book was on the table.
The
Book was on the table.
क्या वे सो रहे थे?
Were these sleeping?
Were they sleeping? वे कौन थी?
Who was she?
हम कल यहाँ थे।
We were here yesterday.
क्या वह किताब पढ़ रहा था?
Was he a book?
वह एक महान आदमी था।
He was a man.
क्या वे सो रहे थे?
Were sleeping.
yourself,
use.
disease, came,
I was studying.
I was
Was studying. Came. Ate. Was. Disease.
She drank juice and ate food.
Much. Drank. Medicine. Reading.
She was here last month.
he came and went last month, went,
He is always studying.
He is always studying.
he went home, he went home,
The last 2 months.
Neha went to school, went, she came home,
He ate a banana. Ate.
the child drank the milk, child, drank, milk,
वो पढ़ाई कर रही थी.
I, study,
उसने जूस पिया और खाना खाया.
she drank juice and ate food,
वो पिछले महीने आया और चला गया.
he came last month
and
and went,
he came and went last month. दोबारा शुरू करेंगे हम लोग. नहीं भाई मुझे नहीं चाहिए. दिल खत्म हो गई क्या?
Is.
cold, tea, big,
धन्यवाद.
thank you,
Hello. I.
my,
India.
water, his name is Ramesh,
No. I am. No. Hello. I am Duo.
good morning, how are you, how, house, how,
थैंक यू. गुड नाइट. तुम्हारा घर बड़ा है.
Your house is big. Your car is big.
योर कार इज बिग. मुझे माफ करें.
sorry,
Hello. Good morning.
गरम चाय, हॉट टी एंड कोल्ड वाटर. थैंक यू. गुड नाइट. तो गाइस आज के लिए इतना ही. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो ऐसी मजेदार वीडियोस के लिए. थैंक यू गाइस.